We will now use a slot mill toolpath to machine this area. Under Toolpaths in the 2D group, expand the gallery and select Slot Mill. Slot Mill toolpaths allow Mastercam to efficiently machine oblong slots. These are slots that consist of two straight lines and two 180-degree arcs at the end. Select the chain here. Then press OK. Select Tool and select Library Tool. Click on Filter. Change the tool type to Flat End Mill and set the tool diameter to equal 1/8. Then press OK. Select the 1/8 inch flat end mill and press OK. Enter the comment Machine the slot. Select Cut Parameters. Change the stock to leave on walls and floors to 0. Select Rough Finish. Change the plunge angle to 2. For finishing passes, set the number to 1 and the spacing to 0.05 if necessary. Then enable Keep Tool Down. Ramp entry creates a smoother entry motion rather than plunging directly. Plunge angle sets the angle of descent for the entry move and determines the pitch. A smaller plunge angle means that the entry move takes longer to descend in the Z-axis. Output helixes as arcs writes the entry helix to the NCI file as arcs. Using this option can create shorter NC files. If you turn this option off, the helix breaks into linear segments in the NCI file. Roughing stepover sets the distance between cutting passes in the X and Y axes. You can enter a percentage of the tool diameter or a distance. Finishing passes allows you to set the finish cuts for the toolpath. The number is multiplied by the finish spacing value to get the total amount of stock cut by the finish passes. Setting the number of finish cuts to 0 creates no finish cuts. Keep Tool Down enabled does not allow the tool to retract between multipasses. Select Depth Cuts. Enable Depth Cuts and set the max rough step to 0.1 and enable Keep Tool Down. Select Breakthrough. Make sure it's enabled and set the breakthrough amount to 0.125. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure clearance is enabled and set to 2 absolute. Retract is 0.25 absolute. Feed plane is 0.1 incremental. Top of stock is 0 absolute. And the depth is minus 0.125 absolute. Select Preview Toolpaths and hide the dialog. If the toolpath looks correct, press Escape and continue. If it does not match what was shown on my screen, go back through the parameters and make sure you've entered them correctly as I have shown. Press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When Backplot is finished, press OK. Then select Simulator Options. Enable Fixtures and enable it for level 100, 101, and 102. Then press OK. Then select Verify. Run the simulation. Close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off.